What is going on, everyone? And welcome back to another episode of Gear Club. You are with me here, Chris, and likewise, we do have 7 days and 20 hours more in completing of this Zonda Cinque event. I'm not sure why am I pronouncing like crap, but anyway, let's go ahead and complete this. You guys must be wondering where am I right now. I'm on currently tier 5. I've done this I think within a couple of days, and I managed to complete tier 5 despite having 7 days more to go. So we do have right now, it's on 45%, which is 3,575. Not gonna spend any gold, but anyway, let's go for a derby. This is on Skylock, and so far I can tell you that the control of this game is super awesome. I did try the Bluetooth controller, however it doesn't really respond much well, so I'm going back to the tilt. I guess this is something that the developer needs to patch a little bit. Anyway, this is a little piece of here and there, and I guess it's really understandable. However, let's go for some race and let's feel the power of the Zonda Cinque. Right, too much power. Come on, really? Damn. I can tell you one thing, as you progress towards the game, the track gets much more longer, it gets much more tougher, the track wise, because it's a new track in the game. So there's a lot of really hard dent around the track, so you really got to be careful. As you can see earlier on, I was really hitting sack, left and right wall, and it's tough. I mean, having a very high superpower car with a very strong horsepower, you really need to ensure that you have a proper view towards the track. So likewise, as you can see, I really do not have that proper view angle, so it's a little bit tough, especially playing on tilt and you do not have all that feeling of vibration and so on. So I guess, but anyway, that's not just an excuse. Let's go for our next race. 290, 300. I'm not going to take the risk of running that speed. There you go. That's a very nice run around the track. So even earlier on, after this update, you basically get to open another one more sided around the map, and you do have that I think it's the B3 class to run around. So since I have the Mercedes B3 class, I did utilize that car to run around and collect more cash. Then you may see that I actually earn about 780k right now. That because of the help towards the watch of video, and you get 2 times of whatever that you earn. Super awesome. So I'm glad to be there, and looks like I'm gonna have this car maxed out in the workshop of the Pagani Zonda Cinque. Glad to have this by the coming of the end of these races. Should be having this car come clean towards my garage. That's almost a hit. There you go, that's a very nice solid run without any collision. Super awesome. I do believe that we can actually go at least one more race to end this video. This is an awesome tier 5 race event. Alright, let's go. Alright, so we're going to Roman Legacy right now. We should be able to do this best. Alright, come on. I love this graphic. This landscape view, the Pagani Zonda Cinque is just roaming around there. I really do wish this game has a free roam. You can really test out just roaming around, openly around. miscalculated that. Running a high speed on these roads is just nuts. Alright, it's coming to a tight end. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my word. Running at a high speed again with this tight angle. Oh, I'm not satisfied with that. So we're gonna try to do much more better turning. There you go. From a big open road to a small tiny edge of roads. That's a massive sweat right there. Wow, that's a massive sweat. Alright, so since we are coming to the end of this video, I will be wrapping up this video right now, guys. This is on the tier 5 of the Pagani Zonda Cinque, and the next one will be tier 6 event. Let's see where we go and where we stand in the upcoming videos. So with that, guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the most. If you are new, hit the subscribe button, like the video down below, leave your comments as usual, and I'll get back to you. So with that, I'm Chris, and this is Gear Club on the Pagani Zonda Cinque, and I'm out, guys. Peace.